How's it going, alto sax players and Bari Sax players? Remember, the alto and the Bari Sax are going to be the same notes, same fingerings. The Bari Sax is just a big version. Today we're going to recap our first notes, the first 5 notes that we learned, and I'm going to add 3 more onto, and we're going to learn to play our G major scale, which is going to be a concert B flat scale. Okay, so let's go over our, and then we're also going to talk about this awesome octave key that makes saxophone so great to play. Okay, so our first note is going to be that low G. We're going to go from bottom up, our lowest note that we know. So pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, no thumb key, nothing else. This is a G. Okay, we're going to lift our ring finger and we're going to play an A. We're going to lift our pointer finger and we're going to play a B. Then we're going to swap our pointer and our middle finger and play a C. And we're going to put all our fingers down and our thumbs, all fingers except our pinkies, and we're going to play a D. Okay, and those are our first 4 notes that we learned. G, A, B, C, and D. So now we're going to learn the next ones, and we're pretty much just going to lift fingers in order. So from D, if I lift my ring finger, that's an E, and I've still got the thumb key down. Okay, it should be higher. Here's D. Here's E. Okay, now we're going to play an F sharp. You're going to lift your pointer finger. So we've got all our fingers down on our left hand except our pinky, and then just our middle finger on our right hand. That's an F sharp. And then we're going to play a G. So you're just going to lift that finger, and it's the same exact as the note as the low G, same fingering, except we're going to add this thumb key. Okay, this is our octave key. So to recap, we have E, F sharp, and G. Okay, now let's talk about the octave key and what it does. It'll take your notes from the low register. So I have a low G here. And if I press the octave key, it's going to take it up an octave. So it's the same note, but higher. So here's low G. Here's high G. Okay, I can do this with all the notes. Our low A. If I press the key, I'm playing a high A. If I play B, I can pop it up to that high B. Same exact fingering, just with the thumb. Okay, if I play C. Okay, same thing in reverse when we have our notes that use the thumb key. So here's D, and I'll see if I can get this low D out. I might struggle a little bit with it. So here's D. If I take it off, I can play a low D. Okay, same thing with E. High E. Take the thumb off, play the low E. F sharp. High F sharp, low F sharp. Take the thumb key off. Okay, so that's the beauty of saxophone. We have an octave key, and we know how to play all the notes in the low register. We know how to play all the notes in the upper register. Okay, so to recap our scale, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. And that's our G major scale, concert B flat.